Details on it this hour, as we've seen that storm really ramping up as it's bringing a lot of heavy rainfall. Now, remember, a tropical system is not just about the wind, though that is how we do the hurricane scale, the category system, category 1 through 5, and the tropical storm. Right now, it is a very weak tropical storm, only 40-mile-per-hour winds. But it is still a low pressure. It's still right there off the coast, pulling in a ton of warm, moist air off of the Atlantic, and that is setting up for a huge flooding event across the Carolinas the next couple of days. It's moving very slowly as well. This through Thursday, it will strengthen back up to around 50 miles per hour and then come back on land. By Friday, it's starting to get caught up in the jet stream and moves off to the north into the weekend. But that heavy rain event is leading to 4 days in a row of a high-risk flooding threat. Now, 80% of all flood damages come on these high-risk days, and many places here along the Carolina coast are seeing that repeat threat over the next few days through Thursday. So a pretty impressive amount of rainfall is expected on top of what we've already seen, another 10 to 15 inches across parts of the coastal plain of the Carolinas. Also, you might even notice behind me here, Memphis is getting in on a little bit of that rainfall. That's going to be on literally day 7 of the forecast, so it'll take it a little while to get to us. A couple of cold fronts, though, are going to be coming through the mid-south, pulled in from Debby and this high pressure. You see they have sort of that counter-rotating, like a pitching machine, going to pull in a lot of dry air to the area. So that'll get here tonight, and then again by Friday, we've got 2 cold fronts on the way. Right now, temperatures are in the 80s, dew points in the 70s, and with that cooler, drier air moving in, that's going to really knock down our dew points. Take a look at this. As we get into Friday and Saturday, temperatures for the dew point in the upper 50s. It'll feel like a fall front coming in. Let's take a look at that as we see that dry air starting to move in from the north, dropping our dew points initially Friday down to around 60, and then the very dry air coming in as we head into the Saturday time frame. So beautiful air coming in for the weekend. Forecast, it's going to stay just a little bit cloudy here and there, just some of those daytime clouds. No rain for us in the near term, though. Like I said, it'll take us until the end of the week. Tonight, temperatures down to around 74 degrees. Highs tomorrow afternoon will be getting up to around 87 degrees. So very cool, about 5 degrees below average. And we keep up that below average trend through the 7-day forecast.
Well, all right, Kit. Thanks a lot.